In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use folders in ClickUp. ClickUp is a powerful productivity and project management tool designed to help you organize your work, collaborate with your team, and streamline your processes. One of the key features that makes ClickUp so versatile is the ability to create folders which allow you to group related tasks, lists, and documents in a structured way. Whether you're managing a team project or keeping track of your personal goals, folders ensure everything stays neat and easy to find. Let's dive in and walk through the steps to create and use folders effectively. First, open your ClickUp Workspace. This is your main hub where all your projects and tasks are managed. Once you're in the workspace, take a moment to locate the left-hand sidebar. This is where your team spaces are listed, and it's the area we're going to focus on for this tutorial. Now, look for the small plus sign located next to your team spaces. Clicking this will bring up a menu of options. From the list of choices, go ahead and select Folder. Once you've selected Folder, it's time to name it. Choose something meaningful and specific that reflects the purpose of the folder. For example, if you're creating a folder for a marketing campaign, you might name it Q4 Marketing Campaign. A clear and descriptive name makes it easier to identify and keep your workspace organized. After typing in your folder name, click Create or Save to finalize the setup. And just like that, your new folder is ready to use. From here, you can start adding content to your folder. This might include lists to break down your work into categories, tasks to track specific actions, or even documents for reference materials. Take advantage of these features to tailor the folder to your project's needs. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started today. And that's it. You now know how to create and use folders in ClickUp to keep your work organized and efficient. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.